What's going on, guys? I'm just giving you a little few ideas. Watch as I take some 99-cent Halloween decor spiders. What I'm doing is adding holes. I've already used my punch from this kit. I'll leave a description. I'll leave where you can buy it in the description. This is very good kit, actually. I was able to punch some holes, so I'm gonna hang them on my string fishing line, basically. So I'm gonna punch the hole here, so you'll see. I use this punch. You can see in there. I'm gonna go all the way through. I'm gonna do the same at the top, right in the middle here. Doesn't take much force to get through. This is pretty sharp. You see it coming through there. So I have 3 ready. So then we're going to size up some string. You can make it as long or short as you need it to be, wherever you're gonna hang it. This is gonna go in front of the house, just past the threshold. So what I'll do is I'm gonna tie up the bottom one first and then work my way up. So this will be at the top here. I'll put 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna tie a little knot here, a little knot at the bottom, so it doesn't drop lower than that. Very simple. Again, this is fishing line. This is I don't know, maybe 20-pound test, or probably 30-pound test. This looks pretty thick, but you can use anything that you have. I'm using fishing line, and I like to fish. I have it readily available, so I'm just show you. I'm feeding it through the holes here. I'm going to turn it over, feed it back out. So this is going to be the first one. So you see that knot stops it from going any lower. So once I hang it, it'll be like that, and it'll look like it's coming down a web. I'm going to do the next one in the middle here. So simple knot, that's all you need. Right here, just like that. Again, start from the bottom, go in through the hole. There you go. Start from the bottom. I'm going to go in through the hole here, go back out the front, the hole's at the top. Do the same thing. It stops at the knot, so that's how that's going to look. So there's both of them now. See that? So I'm going to do another one around here. Just tie that. Don't mind my hands being ashy. The table has ash on it from burning a fire last night, so that's why the hands are ashy. My brother got to stay lotioned. I'd like you guys to subscribe, like, comment. Definitely subscribe. I'm trying to push up my subscribers. I've been on YouTube for a while, and I'm finally posting more of my stuff that I do. The children are older, so I have a little more time to do it. I've been on here for over a decade. So there you go. Let me see if I can move this up just a little bit. Yeah. So this is the 1, 2, and 3. So you see that? All of them on the wire. So then I'm going to make a little loop at the top, because that's where I'm going to hang it. Have something already hanging. So just make a little loop. Gonna tie it up. Again, this is just to hang, so it doesn't have to be strong and tough like I'm actually tying a hook for a fish. Just something simple, really strong. I'm gonna cut the bottom right here. So perfect. And that's how you do it. So I'm gonna hang it up and show you how it looks. So you see it. This is it here. And that's how it's gonna look. Just like that. Just beyond the door. So it's gonna look like spiders all in a web. So it's something very simple. You guys can make 99 cents. Some fishing line, wire, something to punch a hole through it. And you decorate the front. Plain and simple. Like and subscribe. Crafty.